Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the completed One Belmont building. Now this is one of the nicest buildings in Kingston, in New Kingston. It's a massive building. It's not the tallest building, but it's one of the nicest buildings out there. Now, back in 2021, December 2021, ground was broken for this building, and it's now January 2024, and the building is complete. The tenants are actually moving in and building out their units as to how they want them. Now, this building is fully occupied. A lot of people always ask the question, when they build all these buildings, who rents them? Well, it's fully occupied. And it's 9 floors. Trying to remember, it's 4 floors that are... 5 floors are rented space and the other 4 are parking. So we're just going to give you some more information on this building. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, has welcomed the $3.7 billion investment in One Belmont corporate building in Kingston as a further testament to the growing investor confidence in the country. The project, being executed through partnership between Cygnus Real Estate Finance and Audrey Holdings Limited, will deliver 79,000 square feet of Class A corporate office space supported by 4 levels of parking. Prime Minister Holness said that the development is in keeping with government's focus on positioning Kingston as a premier city in the English-speaking Caribbean. We want Kingston to be the center of trade, commerce, finance, and to be the place of choice, he noted. The Prime Minister commended developers for including environmental considerations as part of the project through hurricane-resistant and energy-saving features. The development, located at 123 Belmont Road in New Kingston, is seen as a response to the realities of the current work environment, uniting design and technology to create an architectural masterpiece with state-of-the-art features that promote the health, safety, and comfort of those who will utilize the space. It will include rooftop entertainment for corporate events, LED lighting surrounding the building, as well as a host of other unique features. Vice President and Head of Real Estate and Project Finance at Cygnus Group, David Cummins, said that the building will include hurricane impact resistant glass in addition to post-pandemic features. It's been designed with a suite of technological features such as touchless elevators, touchless doors, touchless Kohler bathroom fixtures, and an automated infrared camera system for non-intrusive camera checks, he informed. Mr. Cummins said that financing for the project includes a $2.5 billion construction facility from National Commercial Bank and a further $650 million in preference shares on top of the equity via Audrey Holdings Limited. The Build Your Dream Construction Limited was awarded the contract for the works. So you have to say, job well done. This is exactly what Jamaica needs. And the fact that it is fully occupied, fully booked out, it speaks volumes about what's going on in Jamaica now. The economy is doing so well. Alright, they should have the official opening sometime this year. So we'll definitely keep you guys updated on the project. We asked to go inside, but they said we weren't allowed to. But as soon as the building opens, we will give you a tour of the inside. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. And we're also going to come back at night and show you the building with the LED lights on. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.